Tonight, Mira Mesa is a pretty large car meet that usually happens the last Thursday of every month, and I actually haven't gone in a long time, so I decided to go. So I'm going to take you all with me. Let's go see what shows up. Let's have some fun. Let's go! So as you guys can probably hear and see from the clips before, things are getting a little out of hand. So I'm gonna go ahead and bail. But this was a pretty big car meet. It's bigger than I remembered it being, and it filled up the whole parking lot. But now let's go home, guys, because tomorrow is going to be the winner of the giveaway. So the giveaway is already over, it's ended. You can't sign up for it anymore. However, I have not drawn the winner just yet. The winner will be drawn for a video that will come out tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like the video, Johnny, thumbs up. Johnny, you know, give me a thumbs up, Johnny. If you're stopping by for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget, guys, like always, together to the top. Let's go.